If you spot a puddle under your Ford F150 and your brake pedal feels squishy, you might have a brake fluid leak. Don't worry, I'll walk you through fixing it step by step so you can get back on the road safely. First, park on a level surface, set the parking brake, and pop the hood. Find the brake fluid reservoir. If it's low, that's a sure sign of a leak. Next, check underneath the truck for wet spots on the brake lines, hoses, or near the wheels. Leaks often show up around rusted brake lines or cracked rubber hoses. Once you spot the leak, you'll need the right replacement part. For a leaking line, get a new brake line section and a flare nut wrench. For a leaking hose, grab a new hose and some fresh brake fluid. Always match your replacement parts to your truck's year and trim. Carefully remove the old damaged part. Be ready for brake fluid to drip out. Have a catch pan handy. Install the new line or hose, making sure all connections are tight. Double check with a wrench, but don't over-tighten. Now top off the brake fluid reservoir and bleed the brakes to get rid of any air in the system. You can do this solo with a bleeder kit, or have a buddy help. Once the pedal feels firm again, check for leaks and take a slow test drive. That's it. Fixing a brake fluid leak on your F150 isn't as hard as it seems. Just take it slow and stay safe. Thanks for watching.